biggest mistake uSamke she did was to go to Muzumbe. I had a second-hand embarrassment for the Kwelas family bandla, such a humiliation and disrespect. Also, Samke, guys, it seems like she's pregnant on the red dress she was wearing on the diary section. So let me tell you what happened yesterday. I really did feel sorry for Samke on a national TV. Hi guys, the people are saying, oh, it's Samke, you need to love yourself. So guys, let me tell you what happened yesterday on Utanda's Tembo season 8 episode 17. So on the first scene, the gathering is still continued from the previous episode. Musamsaleko states he wants to go to see his wife number 5 outside the yard. Both Mangwabe and Mayeni tried to change his mind. Vukile again suggestions that all the men go outside to have a little meeting. As we all know, it was not a meeting. The meeting ends at the gate. They usher to go and see wife number 5. There was no meeting, guys. They just wanted to go and see wife number 5. The car with wife number 5 is already coming. The men were so happy, guys. Musamsaleko was leading. You can see Uguti, he's happy, he's well dressed, red suit. So guys, Musamsaleko go to the car to tell wife number 5 and the 2 ladies that accompany her to come to Muzumbe, guys. Say the other wives, so they don't want to see her. Since they don't want to see her, they have no choice but to leave. So Samke and her 2 relatives, they step out of the car and they walk towards the gate. The men were so happy, guys. They were dancing, you know. Some even start giving her money, you know. Those men, they gave Samke ama 50 rand, ama 100 rand. Only one who gave her 200 note, guys. It happened while they were singing, you know. They were just exciting, guys. They were so happy. So the men returned to the dining hall and pretended as if they spoke and agreed not to see wife number 5, but they continued with the ceremony. Musamsaleko orders that food needs to be served. In TSA for Samke. Samke should have stayed at home, going all the way to meet Abantu outside the yard, and they gift you Gama 250 yana, guys. It was painful to watch, you know. She had to leave at the end of the day. Samsaleko and the other men, they returned and continued with the ceremony, guys. The people are saying, oh, what's Lento Yaka Samke? It is not working. Samke, she needs to move on and continue with her life and get another man. But people are saying, oh, so she was wearing a red dress on the diary section. It looks like Samke she's pregnant. I don't know, maybe it is me, or we're just gonna say it is alleged, because people in Muzumbe, guys, like, I feel like we need to move in Muzumbe right now. People in Muzumbe are saying, oh, it's a vele Samke unengani yemfana. And we don't know whether this is true or it's a lie, guys, because there was a lady who sent evidence to Lady Londi on Facebook to say there's another lady, Kwamseleko, guys, the wife number 5, she's here. So I don't think, guys, these people are acting. Now we have to wait and see, because on the coming episode, Musamsaleko and Sned will be talking Samke's Lobola negotiation. So maybe they will accept her after she's officially a wife, because right now she's just a girlfriend, guys. But on behalf of Samke's family, guys, I'm glad the wife spoke up. Umtomin really tries to manipulate them here. He will make sure to badmouth them after this. But one thing I love about Makumalo, guys, she stand on a business. I love this for her, guys. You know, it was not necessary to meet wife number 5 on the ceremony, guys. They should have done another day. But anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.